mara o tlo go itla stage mo o utlwang ga o batle
ke ganna manual.
no, I'm saying when I get it has how so fly rona kale re ganna yo sharp.
I begin to
At the engine to get something to drink because wow, but we're at Senegal right now. So guys, basically I hope you guys can hear me because it's so windy outside, but I went to a farm with my mom for so because she works with land, so now they had to come to this farm, but it's a lodge and it looks really nice and they're gonna just do verifications and whatnot. So yeah, it looks gorgeous. Guys, hi Hema, di bale frog. This is an abandoned village. Hi guys, excuse my crustiness and all. I still hope you guys can hear me because it is windy, so I'm just sitting here. I'm just gonna unwind and all. So basically I left with my mom. Like, this is for work. I'm not on holiday. I'm not on holiday, so I still wish I was on holiday because what anyway, yeah, we came to this plot because my mom works with farms and all, so they're just gonna what's this, check how things are because it looks so beautiful, but it's abandoned, guys. Like, it's abandoned, like it's dusty, musty and everything and all. So yeah, anyways, I took a break from YouTube because of school, so I had to focus on school. I know I promised to post at least once a week, but they weren't lying when they said it gets hard, because it does. So yeah, but I think I'm back now. I think I'm back, but yeah. Anyway, walked down there. I said no because number one, I have sneakers on. Number two, I have my pedicure done. So no, it's painful. Even walking uphill was so painful because we couldn't go through with the cars because the bridge broke and the cars can't go through now. So we had to walk, guys. We had to walk. I'm not made for this life. If someone were to say, Anachi, let's go hike, and guys, you are so sitting down. Like, I'm literally sitting down. And but yeah, these are the views of where I am right now. It's really beautiful. The security guards here probably think I'm crazy for talking alone, but phone because there's no network here. So like, really man. But yeah. After this, we're going straight back to Bloom, and yeah.
Inkunzi ya rona e metse ke re a bua o nwa metse eng. What you doing? She was
Going
waiting
back
for.
home, and my phone is dying. So
I
bye,
said, what
guys.
is that?
So guys, my mom and her colleagues are done. Yeah, they're done with assessing everything and all. Cars are literally parked there because the bridge is broken. If my phone doesn't die before I get there, I will show you guys. But then yeah, I'm going back to Bloom now. I don't think I'm gonna vlog my way back to Bloom because this phone is dying. Like, it's literally on 3%. I'm even shocked that my camera is operating. But yeah, the last reviews are the last. And yeah, I don't know if this was fun, but I didn't like the hiking part of it, going through the mountains and all. It was not bad, but it was bad. But at least I got my steps in, so that's good. But yeah, I'll see you guys in Bloom. Also guys, one thing I forgot to mention is the fact that I have pedicure on and I'm wearing a whole techie, a whole sneaker. Flamey. Up close and personal with the cow. Hey Trim, you don't look at me like that. No. Yeah, fine. I am so brave for walking down. Guess how home, guys? I am brave. I am too brave for walking down alone. I think I should wait. Hi.
I begin to. I begin to.
So we stopped at Clarens and we're at a jacket store, thrifting jackets.
It's so special. All I feels when I'm with you.
Hi guys, so we're going home now, like we're going back to Beijing. It was on a holiday, so yeah. I think I'm gonna sleep now.
Recapping the top story at 4 o'clock, the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Mamano Kubai, has requested a comprehensive report from the National Director of Public Prosecutions on why the state failed to prove its own.
You got me doing things I never.
Good morning, guys. I got home and I slept. Okay, I slept from all the hiking yesterday, all the walking I did. I got in like 12,000 steps, almost 13. So I'm proud, but I'm gonna sleep some more now, and it's raining outside, so perfect weather for me to sleep. But I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget that Jesus is Lord. And yeah, see you guys on my next video. Yeah, bye guys.